I'm so proud of our group and same with the boys. May call time ako 6:30 kaso late na ako. So, ngayon under doon sila. Galing akong gate 4. Ngayon ko lang ako pupunta. Ilang na ako. Kasi ano na, 6:20 na. Ayun.
Noted po, we will, volunteer. Oo, yan nga yung sinunod mo nga. Pag may kulang sa amin natin, bakit lang po sa ito? Sabihin mo na lang na, noted po.
Ready na ba tayo today?
Noted po.
Ready na ba tayo?
We will add that to our study.
Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is March 11 or 12 ba? Yeah, today is March 12 and it's currently 10 a.m. ng umaga guys. And ang gusto ko lang ikwento sa inyo lahat ng nangyari kahapon since hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi guys. So yeah, kahapon is nag-title defense kami and 6:30 a.m. pa lang nasa BSU na kami for our thesis title defend. And tapos nag-asikaso kami for a token doon, for token namin sa mga panelists. So yeah, and it went well. Sobrang okay naman and we defended it sa awa ng Lord. And then I'm so proud of our group and same with the boys kasi 4 lang sila and wala akong ibang masabi kundi I'm so proud of them also. And this is the dream team talaga. And yeah, it went well and ang haba lang din ng vacant namin. So 6 hours ata yung vacant namin and then our next class was 5 p.m. pa, which is just like no. And ang daming nangyayari kahapon, but I was gonna say it's really a rough day, pero kinaya namin lahat and I'm so proud. And today, ang agenda namin today, since online class lang naman kami, nabe-burn out na ako, ayoko na pumasok muna today. Then online lang naman, so that's what we're gonna do today. Sana nga wala kaming klase kay Sir, kay Sir EXT today. Sana lang, manifest ko lang, para hindi ako ma-absent. And, yeah, yun lang yung nangyari kahapon. And, magpapahinga lang ako today. And, I'm just having my morning coffee. This is my super drink talaga, guys. Kape talaga and matcha. So, yeah. Update ko kayo sa mga susunod na mangyayari this coming days. Kailangan ko pa tong aralin. Midterm na next week. So, Hindi ko pa sila guys tatanong kung magkano. Tapos part lang, mga tatlong peraso ng part lang. Itaas natin yung may tapos na natin try ano, parang nakita ko sa mga nag-share ko guys.
A better answer on that question. A crew is people or, a group that is in it all the time, no matter what, that is stroking together every minute with the same purpose, that is willing to sacrifice silently for each other, that gives grace, that holds accountable. A crew has the same cares.
We felt the sun.
The last one is love. What you saw was a group of people who loved contributing, having meaningful contributions, and extracting joy out of that. The reason I had the form up here is because I would suggest to you that when you look up here, you're not looking at us. We are a mirror reflecting you. And if you like what you see, then just look a little deeper. This is you.
Guys, good morning. So, it's around 11 a.m. and kakagising ko lang talaga. And, yes, today ang agenda natin is first is to make my morning coffee and this next is to study because exam week na bukas. Starting na ng exam week namin tomorrow, Wednesday, and yes. Yun. And then, yeah, I'll update you guys. Good morning. Talagang kakagising ko lang. Oh, amazing. Yana. Nan. Hindi ka ba mag-hi? Nadan. Hi. Hello. Hello. Doon nga. Dito lang sa Toyo 5 eh. Hanapin na yun ah. So, hi guys, it's dito of our final exam and mga around 11 a.m. nag-PA kami sa SL And I am with Abby. So, after namin mag-PE ni Abby, nakita lang namin si Sir Jay sa may College of Science. Ayun, ang tangkad niya. Hi guys, so it's around 6 p.m. and I just wanna update you guys na nakatapos na ako sa mga agenda ko ngayon for today and sa mga exams na nakatoka sa akin for today. And for tomorrow, we have a few things na naka-line up. So, exams na lang din talaga. And then, yung kulang kong quiz and activity sa EXT. Tapos, exams sa ECT, sa fiber optics. Yeah. I think yun na lang naman yung mga gagawin ko for tomorrow.